Children, our flag does not fly because wind moves it, but it flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it. India salutes the sacrifice of martyr Sepoy Gurtej Singh. So class 8 students, as you know that in coming few days you will have to appear in the online unit test, and that is the main objective of taking my video lecture today, so that I can give you practice of the online exam. And so this class is also in the continuation of the previous class. I am ready with some MCQ based question. I have not provided you choices, but the choice will be given in the exam, and you will take the right choice or you will choose the right choice. So here the list of 20 questions are ready, and I am starting it, having discussion over it. What do you see? What is the first question? Name a natural fiber. Very easily you can answer it, or you will choose the option which has either cotton, silk, jute, etc. In question 2, name the basic component of animal fiber. The basic component of animal fiber is nothing but the protein. And what is the animal fiber? It is nothing but the silk and wool, which are the animal fiber. So basic component is protein. You will choose only protein. Name some artificial fiber. You can easily answer it, not giving you answer. Which fiber is known as artificial silk? All students have this idea, and it is very obvious answer, rayon. In which country was rayon first synthesized? Boys, it is England. In the question number 6, you can see that the first fully synthetic fiber, it was nothing but nylon, because it was first synthesized together in the cities of New York and London. So taking the prefixes of both of the cities, the fiber was named as nylon. Name the largest producer unit of rayon in the world. It is just India. Yes, you will feel proud that the Grasim industry of India, Grasim Graviera industry, Grasim industry of India, Grasim India is the world's largest producer of rayon in entire world. Question 8. Which is common variety of polyester? Common variety of polyester is terylene. Look at here. Question is, what is ester? Ester is nothing but a sweet smelling compound. It is the ester which is responsible for the fruity smell of the every fruit. When the fruit ripens, it has a sweet smell. Earlier it will taste sour, and after ripening it will taste sweet. It is only because of the esterification going on inside the fruits, and which is a chemical reaction. Name some objects made up of plastic. You will answer it easily. What is polythene? Polythene is nothing but the polymer of ethene, and is a very common plastic, thermoplastic. Give some examples of thermoplastic. You can answer it. Thermoplastic is PVC, polythene, etc. Give some examples of thermosetting plastic. Bakelite, melamine will be the right choice. Here, what is full form of PVC? It is nothing but polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride is the full form. It is an abbreviated form which we call it PVC for the convenience. What are 5 R's? It is very good question, I will say, because it is an environment related question which is about the consequences of using plastic. 5 R's have 5 R's, and these R's are reduce, reuse, recycle, recover, and refuse. In question 16, it has been asked that whether cotton cloth is biodegradable or non-biodegradable. Cotton is a natural fiber. Naturally, it is a biodegradable fiber. Name the form of polyester, which is replacing materials like glass and used in making bottles and jars. Nothing but, boys, PET, polyethylene terephthalate, which has transparency and it has non-reactivity to an extent. That is why we use it in making bottles, PET jars for the storage of food and water. In question number 18, name a synthetic fiber which is polyamide. Nylon is a polymerized form of amide, and that is why it is a polyamide. What is plasticity? Plasticity is nothing but the ability to mold the substance into different shapes and size. This is called plasticity, and because this property is commonly available in plastic, that is why we call it plasticity also. Cotton is natural polymer. What is its chemical name? The chemical name of the cotton will be cellulose.